Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Wi-Fi won't ask for password on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So ideally, whenever I try to connect to a network, let the networks load, it will ask for a password when I click on connect, and then I will enter the password and hit enter, and I will connect to that Wi-Fi network. Now here's the thing. What if this option was not available? What if it never gave that option? Simply right click on it and forget the network. And once you forget the network, it will connect to the other network which already has Wi-Fi and which is already providing Wi-Fi, and then you can try and connect to it once again. But yes, if you still don't get this option, you can try this command netsh space wlan space delete space profile. I'll share it in the description section of the video. But here's the thing, once you copy and paste this command, it will delete the network profile and rebuild it. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste this command here, hit enter. I won't hit enter or it will disconnect my internet, and then restart your computer. Okay, you'll have to restart your computer as well. The next solution is to update the network drivers. Now, if Wi-Fi is not connecting, how will you update the network drivers? Obviously by connecting to another network. Like one network is not connecting, try connecting to some other network, okay? And once you connect to another network, then search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one, select update driver and search automatically for drivers. And lastly, I would suggest you to restart your router. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.